Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can stream on TikTok from your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find your games and apps. If you go to the game library, right here you're gonna find all of the games and applications that you have installed on your PlayStation. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And lastly, right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to broadcast from your PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and click on the share button on your controller. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to save recent gameplay. Here you can take a screenshot. Right here you can start a new recording. Here you're gonna find broadcast, share screen, and lastly capture option. Go ahead and click on broadcast. And then as you can see guys, you're gonna be able to broadcast. As you can see guys, in my case I can't broadcast. To start broadcasting, start playing a game first and then try again. So make sure you're playing a game, then go ahead and click on broadcast, then you're gonna be able to stream your gameplay. I don't think TikTok is available yet right now, but it might be added in the future. Right now, the only options available to stream on is Twitch and also YouTube. Right here, you can also go to capture option, and then here you can change the settings for capturing your screen. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.